welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're doing a pre-calculus math review. Okay, so let's talk about this question. It says simplify secant of t minus cosine of t divided by tangent of t to a single trigonometric function with no fractions. Okay, we just need to apply the definitions and then do the algebraic processes with these trigonometric functions. We know that the secant of t is equals to 1 over cosine of t minus cosine of t. And we know that tangent is sine of t over cosine of t. Okay, let's remember that this one in the middle will be our principal line of fraction. Okay, let's process 1 over cosine of t minus cosine of t as a the numerator. Okay, what we'll have, let's keep our principal line, and we have a least common multiple cosine of t, which will be cosine of t divided by this cosine of t divided by this cosine of t is 1 times 1 will be just 1 on top, minus what else we have. Now we have this cosine of t divided by 1 is cosine of t times the cosine of t, that will be cosine square of t. Okay, over sine of t divided by the cosine of t. Okay, remember this is our fraction on the numerator, this is our fraction on the denominator. Because we have a fraction divided to another fraction, what can we do there is just copy or the same numerator, right, and multiply times the denominator but the reciprocal of the denominator. This will be cosine of t over sine of t. Okay, so from here we know that this cosine of t and cosine of t will cancel out, and then we have an expression. I'm going to continue here on the left side. The next expression will be 1 minus cosine square of t over sine of t. So remember, what are we asked is to put on a single trigonometric functions with no fractions. So because we have a cosine square, let's recall into this identity. We know that the sine square of t on this case plus the cosine square of t is equals to 1. Okay, therefore if we subtract cosine square of t on both sides, we'll have that the sine square of t could be equals to 1 minus cosine square of t. And if you see here, this is exactly what we have on the numerator. 1 minus cosine square of t is right here, and that's equivalent to the sine square of t. So let's replace that, and we'll have sine square of t over sine of t. And the sine square of t, we know that this is sine of t times sine of t divided by the sine of t. One of this on the numerator will simplify with the denominator, and my final answer will be just sine of t. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to send your questions. We will be happy creating content for you.